Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 235 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the controls menu, and to do it basically use the up or down buttons on the home page when you see the clock to scroll through the different menus or panels, and one of them will be the control panel. And once you find the control panel, you will need to press the start button and it will bring you to the controls menu. And here, as you can see, you have the Do Not Disturb mode option, and if you want to turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, select the Do Not Disturb, press the start button, the status will switch to on. If you go back to the control panel, you will see that the icon of the Do Not Disturb mode changed, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face, and also on the watch face you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, use the up or down button again, scroll through the panels, find the control panel, press the start, select Do Not Disturb, press start to turn it off, then go back. As you can see, the icon changed to gray and the icon from the watch face disappeared. You can also do this through the settings. So if you press the start button on the home screen, the current watch face, you will enter the activity menu, or yeah, I think it's activity menu. And basically here we can press the down button to open the normal menu. Now we can scroll down, find the settings. Once you select settings, you can press the start button. In settings, you can scroll down and find the Do Not Disturb, select it and press start. And here we can turn it on or off. We can also turn off and on the sleep time. So if your watch was paired with an app, you can set the sleep time there, and basically it will turn on automatically during the night and turn off at the morning, or in the morning basically. Okay, that's how you enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.